The person who I admire most is my father. I'm eager to take advantage of this amazing opportunity to express our sincere gratitude to my father. Thanks for all that you did for me. Your care, love, attention leave a deep impression on me. First, despite you are busy every day, you always make use of your kindness, patience, and knowledge to educate me. I benefit a lot from this. What's more, you strive to cheer up me when I have a difficult time in life and lose confidence. For treating me, you always have a higher sense of responsibility and sacrifice. What you do is worth bearing in my mind forever. In a word, being your daughter is the happiest thing in my life. Your devotion and education deserve sincere gratitude and admiration. Many thanks, Dad. I love you. Now you're aging day by day, and I want to be the one who can take care of you.